Hello guys, I'm sure all of you know this famous identity a plus b the whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. But have you ever wondered why? Some of you might have, but I'm sure many of you haven't. So in this video, we are gonna see why a plus b the whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Actually, I'm redoing this video because the video I previously uploaded had some problems with the audio. The audio was not actually audible. Alright? So let's get started. We need to find out what is a plus b the whole square. Right? We need to find out what is a plus b the whole square. So let's just draw a square. Okay? I'll draw some random square here. Alright? I have some random square right here. Okay? And now what I do is I take some random point on the square. Alright? I take some random point on the square. Let's say somewhere here. Some random point. It was completely random. I chose some random point. I call this as my A and I call this as my B. Alright. Call this distance right here as A and I call this distance right here as B. Alright. Okay. Now I want you to understand this. I emphasize on this that the square was completely random. I could have drawn any such square and this point is completely random. I could have chosen this point anywhere on this line, right? I could have chosen this point anywhere on this line and I could have drawn any square. This is just a completely random square, right? You agree? So if I prove the identity for this case, that means I have proved for all cases because this is just completely random. So it means that I have proved for all cases. Okay. Now what I do is I do this. Yeah. I do this right here. I do this. Okay. And I do this. So basically what I have done is I have divided the square into 4 pieces, right? And this has been divided in such a way that this one is a square right here. You understand that? This one is a square, this one is a square. Here you have a rectangle and here you have a rectangle. We have divided this in many other ways, but for our convenience we divide it in this way. For our purpose we divide it in this way. You could have as well made maybe this one a square right here. Maybe you could think of various ways. Anyway, okay, let's proceed. So you have you have A right here, right? You have an A. This is B. This is A, right? This is B. This is B. And this is A, right? So you have one square here, you have one square here, you have one rectangle here and one rectangle here. You agree? Okay. Now, what is the area of the square right here? It is A square, right? What's the area of this rectangle right here? It is nothing but AB. What's the area of this square right here? It is B square. And what's the area of this one rectangle right here? It is what? What is it? It is A, B. Agree? You agree? So the area of the square is A square, the area of the square is B square, the area of this square rectangle right here is AB, and the area of this rectangle right here is AB. Okay. So then what is the total? Now what is the total area of the square? It is A plus B the whole square, because this length right here is A plus B. This is a square, and therefore its area is A plus B the whole square, right? The area of this square right here is nothing but A plus B the whole square, right? And that is obviously equal to the sum of the individual areas, which is A square plus AB plus B square, and therefore you get it as A square plus 2AB plus B square. And that is why A plus B the whole square is equal to A square plus 2AB plus B square. If you like this video, please share the video to your friends. And if you have any suggestions, please put it in the comments box. Thanks for watching.